I'm good. I have something to tell you. What is it? Wanna have some fun and adventure? Oh, that's great, but I think it's more fun when we're going to have a reunion together with a batchmate in college. Oh, excellent idea, Jen. But what are we gonna do? Let's contact them and make a deal. But I don't have any number of them. Don't worry, I get Sheila's number. I'll try to contact her for a plan. Okay, make sure that they will agree. Sure, I will post it to our fan page. Okay, take your time. By the way, I have to go. I have something to do. Me too. I have something. I have an appointment to do. Okay, bye.
Who was it? It was John. He told me that we're going to have a reunion together with our batchmates. Sure? I'm so excited! So, let's spread the news? Yeah! Go, go, go!
Good morning. Thank you for calling Widescreen Hotel. This is Grace Inados. How may I help you? For what date, sir? Just a moment, sir. Yes, sir. This Wednesday is available. For how many nights are you going to stay? For how many persons, sir? Oh, I see, sir. So you will be staying in a group room. Okay. For how many of you? Okay. What time would you like to check in, sir? Okay, sir. May I have your name, please? Sir, let me repeat. John Kevin Obradas. Juliet Oscar Hotel November. Kilo Echo Victor India November Oscar Bravo Alpha Delta Alpha and Shara. May I have your contact number, sir? Thank you, sir. What will be the bill settled? Okay, sir. Let me repeat the reservation for 2 rooms in a group on Wednesday, 18th of September. And you will be staying here for 3 nights. Will that be all, sir? My pleasure, sir. Thank you for calling Widescreen Hotel. Good morning, ma'am, sir. Welcome to Widescreen Hotel.
Hello, good morning. We have a reservation last week.
Okay, thank you, sir. Can I have some form of ID, please?
Yes. Here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Obradas. Let me pull out your reservation. We have guaranteed a reservation of you. May I request to fill out this registration form?
Sure. Here.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I've got to check into your room. For the girls, your room on the 8th floor, room 810. And for the boys, it will be 811. Sir, here's your key to your room. Our bellboy will accompany you into your designated rooms. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, may I?
Here, sure. Careful with that.
Thank you. Ma'am. Morning, ma'am, sir.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. Welcome to Widescreen Hotel. What can I do for you?
We would like to have a room, please.
Yes, sir. For a moment, sir. Yes, sir, we have available room on 5th floor. Would that be okay?
I just want to ask if there is any available room that is on the second floor.
Okay, for a moment, sir.
Get in. Okay, sir, this is your room. And this is your beds. Here. Here is your beds and your shower room and your mini sala. Okay? If you need some assistance, just call the front office department.